Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a folding surprise, which is, like a gift. So, um, so, uh, I was going to be putting a bird inside the folding surprise. So let's start. First, you gotta fold your paper in half, which I kind of failed on the first video because my computer crashed. So, first you're gonna fold it in half, like this. Then you're going to fold one up, one flap up, like this. So I'm going to do it so I can do it. Okay, so then you're going to flip it over. Then you're going to do the same exact thing, like that. Oh yeah, and guys, you don't have to make it perfect because people are different. People don't get everything perfect all the time. So then you're gonna like lift your thing up. You're gonna like put it like this. Then put those bottom two right on here. So when you open it, you get like a folding surprise. So now you're gonna grab your pencil. And you're gonna make, okay, so just one sec. Okay, so on your first flap, you're gonna take your pencil and you're drawing your pencil, and you're gonna make a line up. And then another line just like here. We're gonna make it a little high. And then you're gonna close those two lines by making a line on top. Then you're gonna make the bottom half of the present just like, so you kind of put it slightly under and slightly next to the your present one, your top part. So like that, and then So now you're gonna get like a lid with a box under. Just one sec, I can make this a little bigger. Okay, after you're done that part, you're gonna make a line in the middle of your box, the bottom part, like close to the middle. So you're gonna make like a string that's going up. Then you're gonna make that string continue till you get to the end of the top of the box. Then you're going to turn your paper sideways, or you're going to draw a sideways line. So you're going to turn your paper sideways, then make a line. Oh, I made it right in the middle. You're going to make it very close to the middle. Actually, don't make it close to the middle. Make your first line on the middle. And then draw lines on top. That's why it's good to have pencil you can erase if you make a mistake. So then you'll get like this cross thing. Then you go to the top part of the box. You make a big loop. Like that. Then make another big loop on the other side. Then you're gonna make a shape right in your loop, like an oval shape. Actually, don't do that. Okay, you can do that if you want. Because it's kind of optional. If you don't want to do that, you can leave it like that. Then you gonna, if you want, you can like make something open like your hand. So you're gonna go to the very top. You're gonna make a little U shape, and then one to the side, and that will be like your hands pulling up the thing, or like you're reaching down to get it, but then it just like opens, and then the thing you want inside comes out. So this is the hard part I have to show. So then you open your thing, you open your folding surprise, and then I'm gonna make a bird. So you make your box a little bigger. So just like close it. Then, so I'm making a bird. Actually, don't close it. Don't close it. So I'm making. So for a bird, I'm gonna keep this over here. Yeah, don't look at these drawings. I'm copying the bird in the middle of my page. So I'm gonna make two. We're gonna make a eye, and then a circle inside it. Then you're gonna color the outside of the circle in. Then you're going to make a what do you call it? It's those things that are in maths. More than that number. Yeah, just make a more than symbol, or like this, but like the it's sticking. So the less part, the point, is pointing to the eye, and the outside, and the other part is pointing to the outside. So then you're gonna make a beak. Well, I made a little beak. And then you make a line right across the middle. Not like that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I hope you can. So then, after you make your beak, you're gonna make the head like a loop around. Then you're gonna make a line come out from under the beak, and you're going to kind of make a swirled line. So like that, and it comes. No wait, no, I made it twirl. So you might see erase marks because I did So I cut out a part which kinda went wrong. So you're first gonna, oh my gosh, stop it. So you're going to go to the top of your paper. And make an eye, a circle with a little circle inside it. Then color the big circle in. Then you're going to make a thing that like points out and back in. Like it's kind of like I'll just show you. I don't know if you can see. Wait, not that part. Don't. This top part. So then you're going to make the beak, which is a curve, not like that. And then you're going to make a line just right across this part. Then you're going to go to just a little bit, like a little bit to the right of the middle of the beak. Then you're gonna draw a big line that comes out and in. I mean, not out and in. And then we're gonna make a little nudge and get to right. Then, okay, I'll just show you. So, you're supposed to make that curve in a little high. Make it to a little bit higher. And then just like make it a little higher from the, make it a little higher from the box. Then go back to the top of your head. and make a line. And just don't make that line go all the way down. You're going to we got so just one sec. Okay, so then you're gonna take your line. You can go outside the box, but you can't go over on this part. So you're gonna make a line down there. Then don't go all the way down to make a little line there. Then you have to start here. I made a dot. And where you're supposed to start. So then you're supposed to start where I made that dot. You're going to make a curved type of line. And go right into that. So it makes a wing. So then, after that, you're going to make it a little bigger. Then you start at the same point you started the line at. And then go thin. Very thin. And blend into the line. Then I'm going to go out. And then you're gonna, after you go out, come back in where you ended the line. And end it right when you touch your first line thing. After you're done with that, go to a bit of your line. Make a little bump. And we'll make it a little bigger because I have a big paper. So after you're done that, so you're going to go back to this line over here. And then first you're going to make legs come out. Like 2 lines. And then after you do that, you're going to close a little. And then you do the same thing. and you're gonna like kind of close it in, and then you can make a little other line come out, and then you're going to make a little zigzag line. Then you're going to go smooth, just like for 1 centimeter. Go smooth, and then make another like 2 lines. Just like do the exact same thing. Just do the exact same thing on this side, on your other leg. Just 1 sec. Okay, so after you're done doing the same thing on the other leg, you're going to make a little zigzag line. Then you're gonna make a little, so like your 2 parts are close. So go back to the part where we did those 2 tails. So the first tail, you're going to make 2, 3 lines, and then you're going to go back to the last this curved part, and I'm going to make a small zigzag but going down. Or, I mean, not zigzag, like tiny zigzag. So, that's how you make it. So now it's gonna color it in, which is gonna be fast forward.